Today we're going to see how students can identify lines and shapes in the objects around them and turn those lines and shapes into simple sketches. I'm Steve, and last time we explored how young learners can learn basic drawing skills using iPad by creating different patterns and textures. In this part we're going to combine basic shapes, use markup and create original sketches using the skills and tools we explored last time. Drawing tip number 1. It's easier to draw the shapes around you if you can recognise shapes inside them. Yes, ask students to look around them and identify the different shapes they can see. Can they find a circle or a square? In Sketches School, they can sketch some of the shapes they spot. Now we've identified different shapes around us, students can try drawing a robot, an animal, or something else by combining shapes together. Drawing tip number 2. You can use markup to draw on any photo. It's an easy way to find and outline the shapes in an object. To use markup, students first need to capture a photo using the camera app, making sure to keep their wings tucked in. Then open the picture in the Photos app. Look closely at the photo to find any shapes inside. Are there any circles, squares, or triangles? Tap Options, then choose Markup. Students can use their finger or pen to outline the different shapes in the image. Drawing tip number 3. You can combine shapes and lines to draw a new object. Ask your students to look around for interesting things around them, where they can identify the shapes within the objects and use those to help them to draw it. If it helps, they can use markup again to outline the shapes in the picture. Once students feel more confident with identifying shapes and lines within an object, they can use this to support them in other areas of the curriculum. For example, in maths, students could search for specific shapes on a list, take photos of them, and then use markup to outline them. In English, they could draw a letter of the alphabet and then turn it into something that starts with that letter. And in science, students could gather leaves or other natural objects to sketch, focusing on sizes, shapes, colours, and textures. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, do make sure to subscribe and set alerts so that you have easy access to upcoming content. Next time we'll be looking at how students can build on their drawing skills by sketching a range of people and places. See you next time.